Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post and Free Admin Dashboard Templates, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful Angular 18 Plus Admin Dashboard Templates like Core UI, totally free of cost. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, how we go. So we see the beautiful admin dashboard template, Angular 18 plus like core UI. So guys, I have done the basic structure as well. See the sidebar and the top section and the content section beautiful. The toggle set as well. See and notification toggle and user setting toggles as well. And see the guys the content section. The beautiful stat chart and the chart.js, line chart, and other beautiful section. We see it's work like charm. And you can also enhance this by adding your more features as well. And after friends, after it, I will come with more dashboards as well, like fully free and Angular Plus. And friends, if you will have any kind of queries, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, thereispo.com, contact and advertise page. See friends, you will get my email, my Skype, and my version number. And guys, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. And here you will get more admin dashboard templates as well. All are free of cost. See friends, this see the beautiful admin dashboard here as well. See, walking demo you will get also, and see walking demo on my channel, a free admin template as well. See guys, and also you will get the Angular admin as well, React admin, Vue.js admin, and Laravel admin as well. And the best is that I recently updated. See, different beautiful, and also here is the Git repo link from where you will get all the code as well. Here is my GitHub. Please follow this as well for free updates as well. So friends, like I said, I will come with more updates, and if you will have any kind of query, then please give me a quick comment as well. And friends, also I'm full-time freelancer. If you will have any kind of freelance work, then feel free to contact me anytime. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.